All right, let's clear these branches first. Got it. Easy now.
All right, let's start with the vines. Careful with the glass. Looks salvageable. We found something special here.
All right, let's get this moss off first.
Careful with the windshield.
Engage the winch slowly. We've got movement. All right, cables are secure. Roger that. Let's start the pull, nice and slow. Watch the rear tires, keep it steady. All right, team, this is the Mossy Master.
Oh, okay.
She's quite a specimen, isn't she? Yes, look at the corrosion here. We'll need a full mechanical and Look at that. The original silver is still underneath.
Sir?
Just as you predicted, sir.
She's perfect. The paintwork is flawless.
The Austin Master is ready for the road.